Welcome. This is MHSoft, and in this video we like to show how to get out the results of the questionnaires which are already taken. This symbol here is the symbol of our application after installation, and with a usually click I can open it. This is a start window, just a representation of the company. Click here on start and then it goes to the main menu. From this menu all parts of the application are reachable, and our video here is just about to get out the results of the questionnaires. So this button here with the graphical symbol leads us to this area. We have two lists here, both of them for the SCL90R patients. And this place here is for the graphical representation for T-score over scales or average scores over scales. To see a graph here, I just need to mark here, for example, one line in this list. Then I click here on this button. This is T-score over scales, and it's the same way to see the average scores over scales. So it's not limited to have just one graph here inside, it's up to 7. And to have more than one, it's pretty easy. I just move down here, I click again, and it shows me T-scores over scales. It's also colored, referring to the names of the person. So if this is a little small, then I can easily enlarge it here over this button. This is how it looks then. It's quite better. And this picture we can also save in a PDF file. It's this button here. So this is how it looks then, and it's it's the same picture. Just to make it a little bigger, then we can see here the names are listed here in the head, together with the date of the intake. Each name has a date of its intake. So this PDF file is already saved on the desktop. There's nothing else to do. I just close it. And here with this button I can go back to the window where we have been before. So here from this list we get also PDF files with the global values, for example, and some other results. I click here online. This little window is asking me if I want to have the 90 questions with their answers inside the PDF file. I say no, and then it comes here to this first page of this PDF file. We have 3 pages. This is the first page. Here I make it a little bigger. So here we have the sums of the scales. Then it comes here to the average scores, PST of scales, and here we have the global values. And these red letters are just a reminder of that the T-scores we can see here. These T-scores are not coming from original tables. It's not allowed to have them here in, but we are glad to put them in. If a company has bought our application, then we can the original data put inside of the database. So so we have 3 pages here. The next page shows us this one is not, this one is the next page. We have here the graph, T-scores over scales, also with the name we have chosen and the elevation number. The next graph shows the average scores over scales, and it's also named. This PDF file is also already saved on the desktop, so there's nothing else to do. I just close it, and yeah, here we are at the end. This is how easy it is to get out the results. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we hear soon from each one whose interest we have won. If there are any further questions, don't hesitate to send us an email. Thanks.